Let's make sure this thing is working. Let me see. I think it's working. All right, well, as long as you guys can hear me, I'm going to try to share my screen. We're going to go over the charts for the week. Oh, don't share it. Share screen. Entire screen. Yeah, there we go. All right, let's head over to charts. All right, first one we're going to go look at is Tennessee. Now, this is Thursday, 10:13 in the morning. Tennessee probably already came out. Let's go take a look at that real quick. 970, and then Texas came out too. So 970, 704. So sum of 9 number. 90 has been hot, actually. This came out multiple times in the last couple weeks, or at least this month. We're still missing 18 and 27 for sum of 9s. So a big number that came out this week, 675. This was unhighlighted, and I had to turn it blue, but I was trying to decide if I should turn this whole thing starting over again, but I'm going to kind of wait to see if these hit. If they do turn red, then I'll just redo the whole chart from there, because at that point they have hit more than once. So all of your playing numbers have came out in the year. So get ready to maybe start playing the same ones from now to another year from now. They're going to keep coming out. You can just track them that way. So let's go. Let's see. Mirror numbers. We still have 3 pairs that need to come out. 1-6, 2-7, and 3-8. 3-8 is technically on the hit line. Let's go and see doubles. 1, 6, 8, and 4. 4s came out. So now we're down to, let me see, we got 3 doubles. Mirror numbers, we're looking at 1 for the week, 13 for the month, so 14 for the month, but only 1 for the week. We're going to get a couple more mirror numbers, maybe even today. 1, 6, 2, 7, or 3, 8. 9 4s in the cross box, 5 0s in the cross box. These are 2 automatics, even though they already dropped. 5-0 already came through. But 4-9 has not came through. It's just it got hit last week. It can repeat again. 490 something. And yeah, that should be good for your pick 3s. I mean, planes look like they have more than 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plane numbers. 15 for the month. We had 29 last month, 36 the month before. So these are going to keep coming. The plane numbers. Going to have a couple more. Let's go look at pick 4 real quick. Remember to play your cross boxes and hit lines. Sometimes they like to connect. We see that this is a mirror number within the pick 4 and a sum of 9. The 1-8 pair, the 1-6 pair. Let's see where these were. 1-8, 1-6 paired up next to each other. The 888 that landed with the 2 was right here last night. 72-19. You have 2-7 that's in the cross box. 1-9 that's a part of the hit line. 8453. You have 843 that's in a cross box. So that 3 number paired up. 5 is just outside. 2062. 202 is this line going straight across, but the 6 is part of the hit line. So again, cross boxes, hit line. This 2 is in the cross box. The 6 is in the cross box. It just paired up with the 0-2 that was surrounding it. That could have been 2615, 2679, 2648, 43, 42, 40. Could have been any of those situations, but it went with the pair above it. Just continue to hit these hit lines and cross boxes. We saw the 1-6 did come out. This is 161 or 160 something. Maybe the double, I was going to say double 8s or 4-9. 4-9 has not came out yet, and it's in 2 cross boxes here. So 4-9 something needs to come through. 492, 490, something like that. Good luck there in Tennessee. Let's go on to Texas. Texas, we are missing doubles here. Absolutely missing them. I don't think it goes the whole entire week without getting them. Texas this morning got 704. That's another plain number. I still think you don't go the full week without a double. I haven't seen that happen in quite some time. 704. It's come out multiple times this year. Gonna, if we don't get a double, some of 9 would be the next pick. You're only missing 27 to reset everything. So 270 something looks pretty good this week anyway. It's all over. It's been hitting like crazy the last couple days. Keep that one in the pocket for your pick 3. You're missing a bunch of doubles right now because they got reset end of last week, Saturday. They need to come back through. 3 9s have been kicking. 3 top 30s on the 3 9s. They're in the cross boxes there. Monday patterns. Those look pretty good. Definitely doubles. Let's aim for one. We have an odd chart. We're looking for an odd double to come through. 1s, 5s are available, 7s, and 9s. They're all available, actually. Pick 4, same thing with your cross boxes and your hit lines. You would want to kind of see which ones are looking the best. Double 5, we haven't had it yet. My opinion, that one regardless should be coming out. It's technically on the hit line, just reverse. Or 5-0. 5-0 has been kicking once, twice, 3 times here in your pick 4. And that one's going to be in this cross box up here and on the hit line. So kind of stick close to those. I see 905 actually came out with the 7. So that was a little L shape right here. 500 came out, which is on the hit line as well. This was a good chart for hit lines and cross boxes this week. 4-9 would be a good pick. I don't see it. I don't see that it came out yet. 1-6 did come out with 1-6-7. 1-6-7-7. Triple sevens here paired up with the cross box 1-6. Then you had the 7-7-8-2. That's also there. All right, good luck here in Texas. Stick to cross boxes and hit lines for your pick 4. Georgia. I don't think yours is coming out yet. Still too early. It's only 10 o'clock. The first 2 always come out before then. Georgia, you are slacking on mirror numbers right now. Kind of need a little bit of them. I was hoping that the double 6s came through, but some odd doubles keep showing up. 5s, 7s. We did have a double 2, which was an even number. That's what we like to see on an even chart. But we also need, the 8s. There's triple 6s here, and the double 6s are kind of due. So these look really good to come out. Mirror numbers, you're only missing 2 other pairs. Sum of nines, you're missing 3 pairs. 2, 7 is good for both sum of 9 and mirror. With the 777 landing, I do think a double or mirror number of 2, 7 should be coming through. Let's see. We do need mirror numbers, I think, immediately. You have 23 playing numbers for the month, 12 sum of nines, 10 mirror numbers, and 10 doubles. Looks like mirror numbers and doubles need to keep coming out. 3-8 looks really good. The 2-7 again doesn't look that bad. It's paired up at top. See if the 5-0 looks okay. 5-0 doesn't look the best on this chart this week. There's only 2 5s on the entire chart. They're towards the bottom. The only choice that you have there is 506 or 501 with the reverse. But good luck here. You need some more. Excuse me. You need some more doubles and mirror numbers to come through. For your pick 4, double 6 hasn't shown up yet. It's in your cross box. 2-7 did show up. I see 888s there, but no double 8s have landed. I see the 4-9 that's looking great across your chart. We haven't had 4-9 yet. So 4-9 something looks pretty good. 496, 8, 0. The 4-9 should be connecting to one of these 4 numbers here on the hit line. I think we actually have some of these. Oh, we're actually keeping track of these too. So let's just say the 8-1 had to come out. We'll mark it red because it got reset. So we're going to reset that. We'll look at 1-8 again. That one came out. 2-7. And that's it. So let's just say we're missing 3, 6, 4, 5, and 9, 0 down here as well. Mirror numbers is 1, 6, 3, 8, or 4, 9. We're still missing all of them. 1, 6, 3, 8, or 4, 9. I think the 490, 496, 490, 498, 494, 499. Those all look good there. Doubles wise, 0s, 3s, 5s, and 7s. The 7s just hit. Let's go and mark those off. Need 5 or 3. 5, 3, or 0. Ooh, the zeros are on the hit line. This would be a nice 0. Oh, well, technically 500. That'll be the zeros there. I was about to say, let's go see what zeros could be on next to it. 6, 8, 4. Should be any of these here would match up with those zeros. Could have been 300. That could have been a thing also. Because you do have 3, 0, 0, 0. There's triple zeros here with the 3. That was 3, 0, 0, 0 backwards. 3, 0, 5, 0. Okay, good luck here. Stick with the missing pairs because eventually, by the end of 1 week, normally they all come out. So you have plenty of time to come through. Half of the week is here. The other half is going to be full of surprises. And we'll talk about pick 5 on another day because this is a whole nother situation. One thing I will say, see that 258 going straight across? You see that 25898 that came out? I mean, that was a given that 258 was coming through. If we see something like that, very demanding number. Maryland, you are slacking a little bit on doubles, mirrors, and sums. 2-7 is due again. It hit last week and reset everything, and then all your pairs just came back out again from last Thursday. So 2-7 looks good. 5-0 on the hit line. I would stick with those two, and then especially 1-8. It's sitting in the 1 and 3 position in the 1 and 3 columns. So that's a 99% hit. The 5-4 did land last night that I saw. The 542, that was up here in this little corner off the hit line. Don't blame it. Sometimes that does happen, but eventually we will get a 1-8 or a 3-6 number to come through. 3-6 already came out. I'm just expecting the 1-8 to come through. And for your doubles, you have 10 for the month, which normally you get 15, 11, 17, 10, 15. I would think we get a couple more. It's only the 19th of September. I'm thinking at least 5 more, 5, 6 more doubles that need to come through from Maryland. So keep an eye out on the ones that have not came through yet, unhighlighted. Check out the cross boxes, hit lines. You got 00 on the hit line. You have 88s, that's in the cross box. You have 22s, that's in the cross box down here. These numbers are due. All right, good luck there. Pick 4 wise, let's see. I don't see a 7 off rip. I don't see 8 in this cross box that came out. 00 did not come out, and the 1 did not come out. So let's just say all your cross boxes did not hit yet. Let's go look at hit lines. You got 449. That's on the hit line. We don't see a 49 number besides the first one that came through. We see the 99, which could be on this top hit line number. And I see the 6s that came through. Let's go look with those. I see 6-1. I don't see 6. I think we need to start playing these cross boxes here. If not, play a reverse 4-9 number that needs to come out. That's on the hit line over there. And same thing kind of goes for your pick 5. You'd still want to play some good hit line numbers here. Take everything that we know from the pick 3 and apply it to the pick 5, just kind of how we do the same thing with the pick 4. We want to find where these cross boxes are at and see if they pair up together. So 3-3 or 7-2, 7-7 or 3-8. I mean, we have 888 here, 3-3, 1-1, 3-3, 2-4. So this cross box hit a couple times down here, and hit lines would be 2-5-1. That you would want either those 3 to come through together, or maybe a 5-5, either with the 1 or 2. They look okay. Let's move on to Ohio. Ohio, we are missing nada right now, but we could use a little bit more of the mirror numbers in some of 9s. They only have 3 and 4 for the whole month right now. They're kind of slacking on those numbers. And right now, we only have 1 of each for the week. So we kind of need that 3-8, need that 3-6. 1-8 and 3-6 are in columns 1 and 3. So those are like 99% hit rates for the entire week. So continue to play that 3-6 for sure. It's due. Also with your doubles, the 4 and the 9s. I like the 4s over the 9s, but the 4s and 9s are on the hit line. So it's eligible for both of those to come through. I'm leaning more towards the 4s over the 9s. And the last play number that we need is 256. Still, we had 258. That was close. 560. That was close. And 257. That one was close too. It's getting closer and closer as the weeks come through. 256 looks great this week again in the middle of the chart. Continue to hold this number here in Ohio. And for your pick 4 as well, the 49 and 88, the 38 and 55. We haven't seen 38, but we saw the 3-3 come out last night. We have the double eights that came out, which is this cross box over here yesterday as well. So kind of focus on the other cross boxes that did not come through. You also have 449 on your hit line and 999 on the hit line. Double 9 needs to come through. And same thing goes for your pick 5. Hit lines, cross boxes. If you are a pick 5 player, you already know how I track mine. I just kind of trap the number by playing the entire set. Either I'm picking 580, that's right there on the hit line, and I'm playing it with every pair possible, which there's 56 of them. So, it's 55 numbers, but if you hit a pick 5 in any type of order, I mean, that's a nice payday. So you can trap the number that way. Kind of, let's just say if we do have a hit line number, 856, did that come out? No, we have 846, 836. Yeah, I guess 846 was here with the 38. I mean, there is a 3. There isn't another 8 here, though. Let's go look for, let's see, 8, 4. I don't see a 6 down here. Oh, wait, yeah, I do. 8, 4, 8. 8, 4, 8, and now I need 36. I got a 6 here, but not a 3 here. That number doesn't seem to be here. Let's go look at another one. 270. 27090. Okay, that was here. 27090. So let's just take this for instance. The 27 or the last night or yesterday morning, 02790. You have 072, and then you have the 0 here, and the 9 is above this 0. So this would connect to, that's the kind of number we would like to see. 5 numbers very close to each other. It's coming from the Monday number, which is 72634. So one of those numbers came with the cross box, and it's just kind of surrounded by other numbers that are pretty close, right? But let's just say we're looking at the pick 3, or not the pick 3, but picking 3 out of the 5 numbers that we want to play for this entire set. If 27 is your number, if you're saying it's in the cross box, I want to play 270, 276. I want to play this cross box 276 plus every pair possible, and I'm gonna play it for the week. If we did that starting on Monday, right? Even though we didn't know 276 was going to come out in the first Monday number, but 27634 would kind of match up on that chart. Let me go ahead and go to my pick 5 chart so you can understand. Because I do this with 258. 258, 259, the 1, 2, 3 is paired with every pair possible. And again, there's only 56 of them here. So with 258, we're only missing a couple numbers that did not show up for the entire year that are going to show up at some point. The 1-8, the 4-4, the 2-2, the 5-5, these numbers have to show up at some point throughout the year. All of them came out last year. I'm expecting all of them to come out within this year. From January 1st to December 31st, we should be seeing all of them come out. So I track them in the pair that comes out with the 258. And if we copy and paste all of these, there's 55 or 56 possible numbers. That's how you can trap the 258. This year alone, I think I've hit 258 6, 7 times just because of me playing these, just the whole entire set. Might have spent $55, but we made a couple thousand off of it, and that's perfect. That was fine. Um, kind of do the same thing here. You do have 258 on your chart. If you like it, sometimes the numbers just come out paired up that are are surrounding it. It's a lot that are going to be surrounding those pairs or that number, but we know that there's only 56 possible ways. So kind of keep a hold of them. All right, on to South Carolina. We're missing plane numbers here. Yours got reset earlier this year, so we're kind of tracking them again. You would want to kind of choose either hit lines, cross boxes, and seeing what plane number is pretty close to them. It's a little bit harder to pick that plane number, but it's either that or play all 56 plane numbers. Again, trapping the number. 56 possible plane numbers ever. There's no more, no less. There's 56 of them. You can play all of them and still trap the number and still be profitable if a play number decides to come through. Let's just say Thursday through Sunday, and you play them every day. You're still going to be hitting profit by playing all of them. Let's see, 3, 6, 5, 0. Your last ones that before they need to reset your charts. 1, 1, 6, 6, and 7, 7 also need to come out before resetting your charts. The sixes look great here this week. We'll see if they end up landing. The 3, 6 looks pretty good here. You have 3, 1 on. That's pretty close. I like this same thing that happens with the 3, 6. The 3, 1, when we see it, sometimes shows up, but if it's not, it's 1, 8. 3, 1 is 1, 8 backwards. Same thing as 36 backwards. If we see 1, 8, sometimes we see either a follow up or it switches to something else. 3, 6 or 1, 3. And there's like a couple others that you can pair them up with, but I'm gonna let you guys figure that one out. It's easy to have reverse numbers here, and they hit in reverse all the time. Good luck here in South Carolina. Play numbers, either play all of them or pick them off. And if not, we kind of need a little bit more sum of nines. We had 3 for the month before this week started. We have 3 more. That's 6. We got 11 mirror numbers and 7 doubles. So we're still slacking on the sum of nines. We could use some more. Same thing goes for your pick 4 as well. Missing the zeros here. You got the 7s, but you don't. I don't see the 4 9s that came out yet. So 491, 5 or 6 looks pretty good. Could be the 492 that's paired up. The 498 that looks pretty good. If we do start from this side, we would want to maybe hit one of these 3 patterns: 6, 2, or 8 to pair up with the 4 9. It would just make sense for that to happen. We would want some of these rows to come out all together. You got 6, 4, 1, 7. Like, let's just say that started off 7, 1, 4, but it went to this cross box / hit line with the 6. Guess we maybe could have done that backwards. Let me see if I find it anywhere else. I mean, 714 is going straight across. Do have 666s. I just see it there. 1, 6 did come out. Maybe the double zeros come through. We also need double 6s. We have 666, double 6 in the cross box, double 6 on the hit line. Double 6 needs to show up. South Carolina. Jersey. Let's see. We are missing a bunch of mirror numbers right now. Double five is the last one that needs to come out before resetting your chart. That almost hit yesterday. It hit reverse with double zero. I don't, I don't blame that though, because there's no fives on the chart that are pretty close to each other. The zeros are showing up. So are the twos. I mean, you had triple twos on the chart. You have a lot of zeros on this chart too. So kind of makes sense for those to come out. It's an even chart. Even doubles do like to fall on even charts. We still need 2-7, 4-5 as well. Stick to these sum of nines. They're a weak set for the month right now. They kind of need a little bit more. They're sitting at 7. Mirrors are at 9. Doubles are at 8. And planes are at 12. So you need some more sum of nines here. 2-7 or 4-5. Crossbox 1-6 came out. This Crossbox 8-8 came out. This Crossbox 3-8 came out. Technically, this one did with the 1-9. It's in there plenty of times. But the 4-9 did not come through. I would think this one might hit pretty soon. If this Crossbox comes back out, might be the double 2 today. This one might be the 2-7 or 8-8. This one might be the double 9 that needs to show up. Jersey. Let's move on to Indiana. Let's see. Kind of need a little bit of everything over here. I don't trust the 2-7 in Indiana. It's always a headache for me. The double 7 likes to land, but I do see that the double 2 end up landing. So 2-7 or 7-7 would be the number here. Both in cross boxes. Hopefully this would be the week that they come out. If not, we would have to carry it into next week. You only need a couple more doubles. You need the 7s. You need the 5s. You need the 8s. 5s and 7s I would stick with since you have an odd chart here. The 9s could be a possibility as well. They are the date number for the week. And you only have a couple plain numbers that need to come out here. 135 is there. 678 is there. 359 is for sure here. And 607. Only one I don't see. All right, good luck here in Indiana. Stick to some of these pairs that are definitely going to drop. Anything, the 9s, the 3s, the 5s, you have triple 5s, double 9s, double 3s right here. You know, the double 3s already came out. I feel like the 9s or 5s could be next. All right, so we got 4-9 and 6-6 that are missing. The 5-1 came out. That was 5-1-8-8. I would like a 5-5 or 1-6 to come through. No double 4 or 1-6. And double 1 or 5-0. No cross boxes hit. Let's go look at hit lines. Either 4-1-7, 4-7-9. I see 473 off the hit line. 438 was going shit across. Triple two. I don't see any twos close to each other. Cross boxes need to come through and hit lines. None have hit right now. Good luck here in Indiana. Illinois, plain numbers still need to come through. 596 is your last one. Oh, your last two. 598, 596. I feel like I got to sneeze. $596 and $598. Both here. Looking real good this week. I'll be curious to see which one lands first. You are missing half your doubles. Still missing 2-7, 4-9, and 4-5. These should be showing up soon. You do have the sum of 9 in columns 1 and 3. So 1-8 or 3-6. 3-6 was a guaranteed one. 1-8 was another guaranteed one. These are the ones we didn't want to miss. I did have 1-8 up here, but I would like to see a 4-5 come through. Yeah, kind of stick with those. Maybe the next sum of 9. Kind of needs to catch up these damn doubles. They only have 7. Need a couple more of them. Odd chart. 9s, 3s, and 1s are missing. Look to see which one is the best. 3s are in the cross box. 1s are not in a cross box, but they're up top, paired up pretty close to each other. And the 3s, 3 date number is tomorrow. So the 3s might hit here. Let's see. 3s need to land in your pick 4 too. So there's 38, 44, 50 end up hitting, which is this cross box up here. That was 5012. Got 501. 012 is here. I don't see a 5. 5012. It's in the middle down here though. Cross boxes and hit lines. See that your hit line came out 354. Maybe a 304 would be next, or possibly double 34, double 30, 384, 385. One of those. Kind of stick to them. Missouri, we are missing doubles. 5-5 would be the last one that we're looking for, but it's an even chart. Looking for even doubles here. Zeros also pull doubles or mirror numbers. Kind of like how this 0 pulled this mirror number, which was the 2-7. Could be another mirror number or double. I like the 00 here, which is 5-5 backwards. You do have the 8s, 222 up here. A lot of choices here for doubles. Maybe the 2 comes out. You're only missing 90 for sum of 9 as well before that gets reset, and 16 for your mirror numbers. They all look good on the chart. You're only missing 246 and 179 for plain numbers, which we had 5 start off the chart. It's going to take a break. throw some more numbers in here, and then maybe a couple more planes towards the end. Let's see for the pick 4, missing zeros and 5-0 here also. Bottom cross boxes. See the 9-9. The 4-9 came out, but it's not in the cross box. We got 5-0, 2-7, 1-6, and 5-0 again. 5-0, I think, should be a good one to kind of play. If so, connect it with one of these hit line numbers. If not, maybe the 3, the 9, the 5. 505, 509, 503. Something of that sort. Good luck here in Missouri. Michigan, we are missing mirror numbers. Let me see what time I'm at right now for a second. I'm going to try to zoom through these. So I'm going to finish up with just pick 3s. So I have to get off in like 10 minutes. So let's see. Mirror numbers for Michigan, 5-0, 1-6, or 4-9. You have the 3-8 and 7-2 in the cross box. 1-6 is paired up at top. 5-0 is coming off the Monday pattern. And 49 is the date pair for the week. So I will kind of stick with the ones that have not came yet. I think that they are going to show up. You don't have any guaranteed sum of 9, so maybe stay clear of these. There might be a couple more to show up. Up to you to play them. And double 4, 100% should be playing, if not the 9s. It's an odd chart. Sometimes they like to hit in reverse, which are the 4s. And it's the date numbers for the week. So 4s and 9s for Michigan. And we have 258, 567, 578, and 798 that need to come out. All look good here. Let's go to PA. PA, you need some more play numbers. Your week set for the month are doubles. Right now you're at 6, and you're at 8 mirror numbers. You're at 14 and 11. So doubles need to come out a little bit more. We just had the 4s drop. Might drop another double in this area. They might skip today. Even chart, looking for, let me change that. It's an even chart, so we're looking for even doubles, kind of like how the 4-4 just landed and the 2-2. So you still need 8s would be the last one before, if we get an odd chart next week, then it might be one of those odds that we see that have not came out. The 1s are on the hit line, so if they do want to throw an odd double at some point, the 1s would be the choice. 1-8 is on the hit line, and we're missing it, so don't miss that number either. 5-0 is in the cross box, and we're missing that one. Don't miss that one. And you only have a couple play numbers that need to come out here also. So kind of hold one, even chart. Maybe the 206 makes sense to come out to hold that one, at least for the week. All right, good luck here. Then we have Connecticut. Let me see. 666 on that hit line. Look at that. Like that. 1-6 on the hit line also. Missing play numbers for Connecticut. 697 is your very last one. We're going to see if it shows up. 697. 1-8 and 1-6 are your last ones too. 1-6 is on the hit line. Need that number, Connecticut. 1-8. 1-8 doesn't look that bad up here. I would stick with either that 1-6 or that 697. Florida kind of needs some sum of nines here. Mirror numbers, you have 3. They were the weak set last week, but they're at 7 now. They're tied with sum of nines at 7. Doubles are at 8, and then plain numbers are at 15. So plain numbers, you're gonna at least get like 20. Yeah, you average at least 20 to 25 of those every month. Plain numbers. So up to you if you want to keep playing those. You only have a couple left. For now, your sum of nines and mirror numbers just got reset. 2-7 was a huge number this week. It's on the hit line. We told everybody this one made sense to play this week because we knew it was coming through. Could have been any of them. It's 279. 270 through 279. Let's see what else. 6 is going to happen. The same type of situation. We're waiting on 2-7. 6 is going to happen. Even chart, 6s make sense to come out, especially today. So kind of stick with those for Florida. New York, we're missing mirror numbers. You have 10 for the month. They were kind of high last month or last week. Got a bunch of them. You guys also got a trip. Almost got it again. Mirror numbers 2-7. That's on the hit line. We don't want to miss this. We had the 2-2s on the hit line, and they came out on Tuesday. You know, kind of maybe play the double 2s. If not, the 2-7 or 7-7s back today. This would be the time. Kentucky, not really missing anything right now, but I guess we could use a little bit more mirror numbers. Maybe the 1-6 that's missing in the cross box, the 2-7s that are missing in the cross box also, and come back through. You only have one double left that needs to come out for Kentucky, which is 7-7. Sometimes it takes forever to come through, but you have 777 on the chart. 7 makes sense to come out this week. VA, very upset with this damn state. 2 doubles, 2 mirror numbers, 1 plain, 1 sum. 2-7 needs to come out to reset our chart. 272 is the last number that needs to come out for the entire year before it doesn't come out anymore. Same thing with 616. Same thing with 118. 1-1 needs to come out. 1-8 needs to come out. 1-1-8 is a big possibility this week. Let's see if it does come through this week for VA. The 4s are also missing. I thought these were coming out last week, and they didn't. That's why they're on the top 30. But 1s or 4s, same thing with 1-8 and the 2-7s. They also need to come through. 5-1 is on the hit line. I do like this number originally, just either for 5-1-7, 5-1-9, 5-1-2. These are all good ones. 5-1-2 is missing for the entire year. So that one also needs to come out. Let's go to North Carolina. North Carolina only have 1 plane for the month. Not for the month. For the week, sorry. You are only missing 3 plane numbers for the entire year. 578, 248, and 470. Big numbers here. You almost had the 470 last night. Came out 476. For the month, though, mirror numbers and sum of nines need to come out a little bit more. They have 2 of each. I think that a couple more come out. 4-9 just came out. 7-2 just came out. I think 3-8, that is, you have triple 3s in the middle of the chart. False trip here with the 3-8 going both directions. I think 3-8 is the number that needs to be held here. And you have a bunch of doubles that need to come through, at least half of them that need to come through. Odd chart, stick with the odd doubles, threes, sevens, fives. Those need to come out. Threes, I think immediately need to come through first. All right, good luck there in North Carolina. Mississippi. Double twos. Ooh. Might be deadly this week. Need the double twos. Double sevens just hit. So possible to get that 2-7 and double two. The double two just got, this was unhighlighted on this side, but it reset last night over here for the sum of nines. And guess what? I went to go mark this off. 278 was the last 2-7, or it's not the last 2-7. It was 278 and 276 that needed to come out. 278, I just had to highlight this morning. 276 is the very last number that needs to come through for Mississippi. If you are going to play a 2-7 number, your sum of nines need to come out again. And you're only missing mirror numbers. The 3-8 needs to come out. It's in the cross box. That one looks good. 9-0 needs to come out. It's pretty close to the hit lines. I will connect it with either 906, 3, 4, or maybe 900. That looks okay. You're missing double zeros. You have triple zeros on the hit line. We're missing double twos and sevens and nines. So the double eight's already hit. That's a double even. Then we had double fives. Then we had double threes. So we need another double even number. The twos look pretty good. The zeros look amazing. So good luck there with Kansas. Wisconsin, missing plain numbers. Don't have that many that need to come out also for the year. You're also missing 798, 597, 608, 123, 124. I like all of those. Mainly the 798 or maybe the 608. 608 is screaming everywhere. I kind of like that one. And then we need zeros and sevens that need to come out. Zeros are here, sevens are here. Actually, even chart, but sevens are still showing. 727, 787. And the zeros can be attached to any of these. 000 through 900 would be the pick for Wisconsin. All right, I'm going to do DC and California and then cut it there. DC, only one double for the week. That's insane. $29 in January, 24, 28, 23, 27 in June, 30 in July. We need some more doubles. We only have 12 for the month right now. We need some more. Odd chart, sevens would be the pick here since they are missing. It's part of a Monday pattern also. Super important pair right there. Double seven. Let's go to California. This will be the last one, and then I'm going to cut it here so that way the video is not too long to upload anywhere. Your sum of nines just got reset with the 772. Big number here. Still need some sum of nines. They're not the weakest set of the month, but it'd be nice if you get more than one this week. Same thing with the plane numbers. Planes are always going to be pretty hot, 2 to 4 in the week. And then mirror numbers, we're looking at 7 for the entire month. I feel like we can get some more. 4-9 is in the cross box, technically on the hit line. 2-7 is might come out again. We saw that it already did, but it can always be like California likes to repeat. 5-0 that's also missing is in the cross box. So I kind of like that one. Only the fives, huh? Fives are in the cross box. Like those. California, and you're only missing two plain numbers also for the entire year. 235, 246. I would stick with the 235 this week because it's an odd chart. That would be two odds and an even number to come out with here. They like to do that. This plain even number can show up at least once or twice within the week when it's an odd chart, and vice versa. If this was an even chart, we're getting an all odd number at least once or twice. The rest will be either a lot of odd, even, or um, just odd doubles. So we'll see. Good luck here in California, and good luck with the states that I did cover. My next video, we can kind of go over the other ones. I still have to update from like Colorado and above, which are some pick four states. But comment down below any questions or if I need to add any other states. And I will see you next time. Peace.